Today, we travel to the lush and serene region of Attappadi in Kerala, India, where a farmer named Jayan Cherian turned his dream of a natural home into reality. Over a decade ago, Jayan and his family purchased a vast piece of land in this breathtaking region, nestled amidst the dense vegetation and scenic beauty of the Western Ghats. The road to Jayan's home winds through a mountain path, surrounded by tropical greenery and tall coconut palms, setting the stage for a unique home that awaits us. Perched on top of a hill, Jayan's home is a sanctuary of peace. A stream runs on three sides, almost like a natural moat, and the atmosphere is filled with nothing but the sounds of nature, the flowing water, the bird's song, the rustling of leaves, and the occasional rain. It's the perfect retreat away from the noise of the town. The beautiful home was built after Jayan attended a natural building workshop at Thannal in 2017. Designed by architect Biju Bhaskar, the house was crafted to blend effortlessly with its natural surroundings. The first thing you notice is a circular structure adorned with earthly tones that harmonize with the environment. It feels less like a man-made structure and more like a natural extension of the landscape. The main source of income for Jayan and his family is from coconut farming. They also had a very beautiful way of caring for their cows and other animals. The milk remaining from the cows after it was fed to her calves was sold, and with that they even contributed to the building. It was a holistic effort by all life in the place to make the natural building come true. The home's oval-shaped design, with its rounded edges inside and out, creates a sense of flow. The rooms, planned elliptically, provide ample space for daily living, while the rounded corners evoke a sense of calm and continuity. At the entrance, a semi-covered space welcomes natural light spilling into the living area and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The way of food is intertwined with natural building too. A rocket stove was created with the help of Mr. Shihab, who learned from Thannal while casting the first rocket stove and mud oven in our campus. The dried leaves and branches around their farm served as fuel for the day's cooking. Underfoot, the ground floor is finished with earthly red terracotta tiles, giving the sensation of walking directly on the earth. A bamboo mezzanine introduces a touch of rustic charm and opens into a balcony with a breathtaking view of the forest and the stream below. The washroom holds a unique place in the design. Its opening is not visible from the entrance or the living area, making it more private. The ceiling height and the curve in the bathroom provide a new experience, making it feel more personal. The walls, constructed with cob and wetland daub, brings warmth and coziness to the home. Even in the summer, the interior feels airy and cool. To add a touch of artistry, murals crafted from natural materials grace select sections of the interior. Recesses are thoroughly placed in the living room and kitchen to add functionality without interrupting the home's natural aesthetics. Externally, the walls are finished with beautiful clay plaster in shades of ochre, grey, and earthly tones of orange and beige. The natural materials and color palette blend the house seamlessly with its environment, as if it belongs to the landscape itself. Today, Jayan and his family live happily in this dream home. Built on an affordable budget using locally sourced natural materials, this home proves that sustainability and beauty can go hand in hand. If you have ever dreamed of building your own natural home, let Jayan's journey be an inspiration. With the right approach, you too can create a home that's functional, beautiful, and sustainable. Join our combo hands-on workshop to start your own natural building journey and turn your dream home into a reality.